ATV 200cc G-Force version 2. G-Force, ito kasi may guard siya. Ito. May guard, may bed liner. Version 2, may na 12 inches mags. With toe ball. Yan. Bed liner. Tapos may bakal siya sa ilalim. Ito, grill. Yan, LED lights with signal light, horn, hazard, 4-stroke full automatic, electric start with kickstart din. Yan. Engine 200cc, kickstart in case na lobat. Ang kagandahan dito, meron siyang guard sa chain. Ito, chain guard, double lock, may chain adjuster. Yan. G-Force version 2. Ang available colors na ito is camouflage green. Ito, camouflage green. Tapos camouflage orange na lang. Yan. Last 2 unit na lang to. G-Force version 2.